Yuki, onna snow woman. Once upon a time, a young man living in a northern country went hunting in the snow with his father. Suddenly, the weather got worse, so the two of them witnessed the night in the mountain hut and waited for the weather to recover. It's midnight. When I was sleeping, the entrance was slammed, and a fair-skinned woman in a white kimono was standing there. When the young man tried to talk to him, the woman blew a white breath on her father, and the father immediately turned white and froze in an instant. To the snow woman, the young man couldn't move. "Young people, I'll help you, but you should never tell anyone about today." When I said that, it disappeared in the snow. The next morning, when I woke up, my father was frozen and dead. It's been a year since then. On a rainy day, a beautiful woman was taking shelter from the rain. When a young man asked how to let a woman into the house. "What's your name? Where are you going from now on?" "My name is Yuki and I don't have any relatives. I don't have anywhere to go from now on." The young man, who was worried when he heard that, decided to leave the house at home for a while. The two eventually fell in love, got married, had children, and had happy days. On a snowy day, a young man inadvertently talked about that day in a mountain hut. Snow said with a sad face, "I told you not to talk so much, but I told you." Then, the snow disappeared from him. Yuki was also a snow woman. Since then, no one has seen Yuki. The end.